We got ourselves our first look at the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So Google actually themselves posted this, which is kind of interesting because this is before their official announcement, which will be revealed on the 20th, which I believe is next Wednesday. So they kind of showing off the phone before they're even officially showing off the phone, which is interesting. Alright, hold up. So we gotta start off with this camera bump. Look at that camera bump. Baby. That thing is a chungus and a half. Okay, that's the humongous chungus right there. Okay. Still beautiful. I love the Pixel Pro series. Pixel Pro Fold series. I absolutely adore it. And here it is, which you might say looks exactly like the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And yeah, it's going to. It's going to look almost identical because that's just kind of how the whole process works. It is what it is at this point. The 9 Pro Fold, as I've said many times, is my favorite device. Not of all time, because of all time is the Surface Duo lineup, obviously. But for foldable phones right now, it is my favorite foldable phone. It is amazing. It is perfect in every way possible. So what they did was they took it and they made it better. But they made it better underneath the hood. So underneath the hood is where they improved all this stuff. So less on exterior, more on interior stuff. So kind of perfecting something that, in my opinion, is already truly almost perfect. So again, there's stuff they could improve, and I'm hoping that this is a humongous, improvement in that way. But unlike Samsung, actually very much like Samsung, I take it back. Where Samsung, the Z Fold, the Z Fold 4 looked like pretty much every other Samsung foldable all the way up to Z Fold 7. Same concept. Or Z Fold 6, excuse me. Same concept here, but just I love it. I love it, but that camera notch is insane. I wonder if it's going to have the same rattling issue that the Pixel 9 Pro Fold has. So if you have a 9 Pro Fold right now, you already know what I'm talking about. But if you shake the camera, or you shake the phone at all, the camera actually rattles, which I believe is the ISS in it. So the camera module, no matter how much it shakes, it will stabilize itself. So I think it's probably going to, rattle, but there's other phones out there that has the same feature and doesn't rattle. So I'm not sure if Google can fix that, because it isn't a big deal, but it does rattle a little bit if you shake the phone, which, that's the first thing I think people were complaining about. They're like, this is rattling. It's like, yeah, but that's also because it's the camera module. And it's literally rattling because it's ISS. It's just image stabilization. So it's stabilizing the image even when you shake the phone. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.